Hello everyone. In this class, we will see how to factorize quadratic polynomials. Okay, so let us first revise what we understand by quadratic polynomial. So, a polynomial of the form ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, a polynomial of this form is called a quadratic polynomial. Now here there is a condition that a should not be equal to 0. Okay, you can have b0 or c0, but a cannot be 0. So the highest power is 2 and the coefficient of your variable with highest power is going to be some number. So here you can see in this problem we have a square plus 3a minus 28. Now here in this case my variable is a. Variable is what? Which can have different values. So a is variable. Now in this expression what a, b, c represent, they represent some numbers. Now if I compare with this particular problem, okay, those numbers are for a, I have nothing written over here before a square, so it is 1 by default. If I am not writing any number before a variable, it indicates that the number is 1. That is called coefficient. Okay, so the coefficient of a square here is 1. The coefficient of a is 3 and the constant number is minus 28. Now if I have to factorize these kind of polynomials, then the rule is that I will multiply the coefficient of x square, which in this expression is a, and the constant term which is plus a. The rule is that I will see what is the product of these two, and then I will split this AC into factors. Okay, into factors such that if I add these two factors, say the factors are p and q, it is such that if I add this p and q, I should get b as the result. Okay, product is going to give me AC, but if I add, then I should get b as the result. Okay, so with this logic, let us start here. Now a square plus 3a minus 28, you can easily see. First I will write this expression a square plus 3a minus 28. Now with this logic, I have this product AC as minus 28, and now I have to write this minus 28 in two factors such that their sum is going to be plus 3. Now as the product is negative, the two factors, one factor should be positive and other negative, so that the product is negative. So if you start with 2, you will find 2 and 14 as the factor, then 4 and 7 as the factor. Now 4 and 7, if you take that 7 as positive and 4 as negative, your purpose is solved. You can see that this 7 minus 4 gives me 3. So what I will do, I will write this 3a. Okay, I will write this 3a as plus 7a minus 4a. This is how I will write this 3a minus 28. Okay, now from the first two, I will take a common. So it is a plus 7. From the next two, I will take minus 4 common. So again here it is a plus 7. Okay. Now you understand this part. Okay. If I take minus 4 common, now if you are taking anything common, okay, so it is basically you divide, like from a square I am taking a common. So divide this a square by a, whatever is left you write over here. Similarly this 7a you divide by a, whatever left you write here. Here also I had done the same thing. Minus 4 I divide with minus 4, I got a, and minus 28 I divide by minus 4, I got 7. So a plus 7. And one thing you should keep in mind that this bracket is always going to be same, means whatever you are getting here as the first bracket, the same you are going to get as the second bracket. If you are not getting that, that means you have something wrong in your previous step. So just go and correct it. Okay, now this a plus 7, you can say that a plus 7 is now common here as well as here. So I will take a plus 7 common. Now when I take a plus 7 common, again the same rule I will apply, that a times a plus 7 I divide by a plus 7. So I will get a over here and minus 4 over here. Okay, so this is my factorization of a square plus 3a minus 28. Now when I have to solve this, solve means I have to find the value of a which satisfies this condition. What is the condition? Condition is that a square plus 3a minus 28 a is equal to 0. I have to solve this. So for solving this, I will first write this as a product form. Product form is what? A plus 7 times a minus 4. Okay, this is a product form. Now here in this product form, either a plus 7 is 0 or your a minus 4 is 0. Okay, so when I say that a plus 7 is 0, it gives me a is minus 7 or it is a is 4. Now why I equate this a plus 7 with 0 is that this product is 0. That means any of the factor is going to be 0. Okay, you know that anything multiplied by 0 gives me 0 result. So when I get product as 0, that means any of the two factors are going to be 0. So either a plus 7 is 0 or a minus 4 0. I don't know. So I will consider first a plus 7 0 and then a minus 4 0, and I will get answer as minus 7 and 4. So in this equation, if you take a as minus 7, you will get this whole calculation 0. If you take a as plus 4, then also this whole calculation is going to be 0. So this a is equals to minus 7 or a is equals to plus 4 is considered as the solution of this quadratic equation. Okay, this is your quadratic equation. Okay, I will solve one more question with you all, and then you can solve rest of the problems. Okay, so let us choose one question. Okay, now here my factors are one positive, one negative, because the product is negative. Now I will choose something where product is positive. So let me choose a difficult question where, okay, let us take one question. I'm taking a question number 5 in one of the worksheet. So here your question 5 is like this. Okay, you can pause this video and try it yourself. Okay, that will be a better way of understanding the question. Now here if I multiply the coefficient of y square and constant term, I will get 9. Now I have to find the factors of 9, so that addition is going to be minus 10. Okay, so factors of 9. Now 9, as it is positive, so it's two factors, either they both are positive or they both are negative. Now as here the middle term is minus 10, which is a negative number, so I will say that both the factors are going to be negative. So negative means here it is minus 9 and minus 1. Okay, now you can also get the factors quickly as you do more and more problems. Okay, so math is all about practice, do lot of practice. So here 9 I can write as minus 9 and minus 1. So my this expression, which is y square minus 10 times y plus 9, I can write this as y square minus 9 times y minus y plus 9. Now what I will do, from this first two I will take y common, so it is y minus 9, and from this rest to 2, okay, as I told you that this y minus 9, if you are getting here, you should get y minus 9 at the second place as well. So for that, what we do, we will take minus 1 as the common number. So minus 5 divided by minus 1 will give me y, and 9 divided by minus 1 will give me minus 9. So I get minus y minus 9. Now I will take y minus 9 as a common factor. So as I take y minus 9 as a common factor, here I get y minus 1, and this is equals to, okay, so this is my factor. So this is my factorization. Y square minus 10y plus 9 can be written as y minus 9 into y minus 1. Now second, I have to solve this as well. Okay, so for solving, I will write this equation y square minus 10y plus 9 is equals to 0. So what we do, we write this first as a factor form, like y minus 9 times y minus 1 is equals to 0. Now either of the factor are going to be 0, so therefore either 1 minus 9 is 0, or we can say that y minus 1 is 0. Now y minus 9 0 gives me y is equals to 9, or y is equals to 1. This will give me y is equals to 1. Fine. So this is your solution. Done. Thank you. So rest of the problems, try it, and if you have any query, just comment. I will try to solve. Thank you.